Disguise yourself carefully, mislead the space crews, and vote them out.
Did you see the killer?
Here is a vent. Through the vent, you can immediately reach another room, flee the scene after killing someone, and concoct an alibi.
In this round, you are a righteous sheriff whose goal is to kill and eliminate the imposters, leading the space crew to victory. Note that if you kill a wrong target, you'll be eliminated yourself.
Guys, listen to me. I found an imposter. I saw purple vending. Purple, it's purple.
If Yellow is really an imposter, wouldn't it be easier for Yellow to kill you instead? Why would Yellow need to frame you? Unless Yellow think that you are the sheriff. I believe Yellow is the good guy. I fought for Purple.
Listen to me. I am the sheriff, and I'm sure Purple is the space crew. Purple was with me all the time, and we saw Yellow venting together. White might be an imposter as well, but we should vote Yellow out first.
I'm not the sheriff, but I don't think Green is necessarily the sheriff either. Green is more like an imposter who is trying to protect their teammate. If someone else is the sheriff, you should find an opportunity to kill Green after the meeting.
I was uploading data in the cafeteria just now, and then was heading to the electrical room to do the energy supply task. An emergency meeting was called while I was on the way. I can't tell who is lying. I only know that I'm just a space crew. Don't vote me.
Oh, I went to admin to look at the map as soon as the game started. I also think Purple and Green are the two imposters. Because you see, if they really stuck together all the time, wouldn't Purple have immediately said that they were with Green when accused?
Hey, actually, let's see if the sheriff will kill green after this round. If so, we'll vote purple, otherwise we'll vote yellow. Anyway, we'll still have more time to discuss later.
I'm agree with what Orange said. I have a screen task and I need someone to follow me later to confirm that I'm not a space queue.
I want to green, the impostor.
It's purple. If I were the imposter, why would I call for an emergency meeting instead of killing purple directly? Vote purple. If purple is not the imposter, you can vote me next.
No, you can't vote purple. Whoever votes for purple is the imposter. I'll kill them.
If the sheriffs try to kill a space cruise, they will get killed instead. If you are the sheriff, then we don't have to be afraid of you. You are most likely an imposter anywhere.
Okay, purple and green are the two imposters. Vote purple first. If purple is a space crew, then green being sheriff can be verified. And green, do what you said and kill yellow. Let's vote now.
Did you notice that the green guy was pretending to be the sheriff? He must be an imposter. Seek him out and kill him.
Why didn't the sheriff kill Green? Everyone thought Green. Green must be the imposter.
I'm the real sheriff. Oh, I remembered wrong player in the last meeting. The one who walked with me might not be purple. I think it was blue. The colors are very similar, so I mixed them up.
Could green be the sheriff?
That's impossible. Green must be an imposter because they were trying to protect purple. Purple was voted out as an imposter, so how can green be a space crew?
I wasn't working with you before, Green. Give up. The game is over. You are the only imposter left.
Green impostor. Green.
Oh, submit your votes and stop wasting time. By the way, Sheriff, remember that you can directly kill those players who pretend to be you?
You're Chameleon. After eliminating space crews, use your skill to be invisible and flee. Use your skill now so space crews won't see you. Kill, sabotage and venting all make you visible again immediately. Use wisely.
I didn't see the killer.
How do you walk alone?
Well, we should skip the vote if there is no concrete evidence.
Your seer. Reveal other players' fraction and expose imposters in meetings. Follow the player for a while after using skill to reveal his identity. Follow the red arrows to complete the urgent tasks, otherwise the spaceship will blow up.
Ping skill ping.
Is space crew. Let others know during meetings. Whoa, someone is knocked out here. Remember who passed here just now. Tap the report button and share your information with other people. Together, you will find out the imposter.
Green